Before Tyler also was the first one to catch it.
Oh yeah.
I'm the last one, so it's normal that.
Oh, yeah. Sarah is the best out of
everybody. You don't really see Sarah.
Hi Fizz. Good morning, good morning, good morning, good afternoon and good night. A family of sick people. We are all sick. Can you imagine? Sick. Tie some morning to the face. Thanks to Tyler. Tyler first started it. So Tyler pass it on to Sarah, Sarah pass it on to me, and of course me pass it on to Babe. So when I say sick, I mean we're all having a cold, sneezing, runny nose, the whole 9 yards.
Mama?
I'm talking.
Excuse me, Mama?
Yes, Ty.
Yeah, I don't have a runny nose anymore.
Yeah, because we're getting better. It's not that bad.
Because I'm not having a runny nose anymore. All what I'm doing is having cough.
Yeah, because it's not that bad. Which one are you carrying? Make sure it's not the NyQuil, you know. Make sure it's the DayQuil. Because if it's the NyQuil, you're going to fall asleep at work. Babe and I taking NyQuil and DayQuil, so I know I'll be better soon.
Mama?
But you can hear the sound in my voice that is different. Papa calling you. Anyway, you guys, I am rushing to get out of the house because I'm not feeling so well. I woke up this morning and I fell right back to sleep when I should be getting up to get Tyler ready for school. So I'm a little bit off my time right now, but I'll be on time. I'm off time, but I'll be on time. The little advance that I would normally have, I don't have it. But anyway, I'm gonna go pick up Sarah right now, feed her, and head out with Tyler. So let's go find Princess. You're coming to see her? Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. Good. Good morning. How are you? Ready for your milk? Milk? Milk. Okay. Let's have. Oh!
Cuckoo!
Who is that?
Cuckoo!
Who is that? Papa. If Papa kiss, Papa leaving.
Bye-bye.
Bezo! You leaving without kissing me?
I just kiss you, no?
No.
No.
What the?
What a wicked man, she said. Yeah.
Goodbye. Have a good day. Okay, you guys, I have caught up back on time, and that is good. I can now talk to you guys a bit before I head out. Hopefully you guys are having a good day, whatever time of the day that you guys are watching this. I am about to head out with my cutie. You're hiding. Say hello. Where are we going? Tala is going to? Yeah, and Papa is at?
Why you didn't tie
Work. I didn't tie this one?
Yeah.
You put the one that I tie in the pouch? Double check to make sure it's tied.
Yes, it's tied.
Okay. You guys gonna have to deal with my sick, rusty voice for today, but at least I don't have a running nose and all that. I feel myself getting better because the DayQuil and the NyQuil is helping. There goes my alarm, which means that I need to be taking myself out of here. So have a good day, you guys. Stay blessed, stay motivated, and remember, if you're late for a reason. Don't be mad at yourself if you're delayed a few minutes behind your normal schedule. There's something that Almighty is probably preventing you from if you're late. So don't be too mad at yourself, huh? That's a lesson for today. If something happened, it happened for a reason. You know, speak up loudly.
Y is for white named Dayquil and NyQuil.
White named Dayquil and NyQuil.
Both of them is quill,
Okay.
but the Dayquil is quill for the day and NyQuil is the quill for the night.
Guess who's smart? Ta ta ta, you. Alright, tell Faith bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
You still have water in your bag, which means you didn't drink any water at school yesterday? Why not?
But
when you carry your water to school, drink it up before you come back home. You have to drink water, that's why you have problem using the toilet, Ty.
not that, but I still drink water.
Oh, but not from your bottle?
Yes, from the road video. Because
Okay.
I was at Recreation and I was thirsty.
Ah, so your bottle is only for when you're in class?
Yes.
Ah, okay, okay.
Because we can't bring bottles to Recreation.
Ah, okay.
Especially when we're going out.
Alright, say bye-bye to the face. Now let's go. Let's
Bye-bye.
begin. I'm out. Can you guys tell that's her little corner while I work? Look at her. Hello.
Hello.
How are you?
How are you?
I'm fine.
Bye-bye.
What are you doing?
Bye bye.
You, what are you doing?
Hungry?
You're hungry? No, you're not hungry. You just had lunch.
Bye. I'm hungry.
You're hungry. What do you want to eat? What do you want to eat? You're hungry. What are you gonna eat? You're gonna eat what? Look, you put 2 apples over there. See, you have 2 apples over there. It's time to go nap. It's time for nap. It's time for nap. Let's go. Let's go nap. I can see you hiding. Sarah, I see you hiding. Let's go nap. Where is baby? Where's baby? See baby over there, look. See baby over there. She called her pacifier baby. Go for baby. See baby there? Go for baby. See, she knows exactly what I'm talking about. Good job. Come. Come. Let's go nap. Tell the fave, see you later. You guys, she is such a handful. I am really not feeling well today. I took intervals and lay down in the couch, but you know Sarah won't let me, so she's jumping all over me. She's sticking her fingers in my eyes, in my mouth, in my nose, all over, but I'm managing. I'm pulling through. Yesterday over my eyes were hurting and I took the NyQuil last night and it's not so bad now. It's just my voice. I'm not having a runny nose or anything. I sneeze every now and then, but my voice is kind of deep. So apart from that, we'll be all right. Babe voice is kind of I think babe is worse than I am. Tyler is also getting better. Sarah is the best one out of everybody, but we are all not well. Anyway, let's go nap. Ready? Let's go.
Let's go.
She's so cute. Stop jumping on the couch. Get down. Sit. Sit.
Purple. Diamond, what is it? Diamond. But it's purple. What is this? Fish. What is this? 19. What is this? What is this? What is this name again?
Top.
Top. What is
T-O is top.
this? Is top. Can you see top? What is this? What is this? Deer. Very well to move the camera. Oh, you're good. What is this? Zebra. What is this? Sun. 2 sun. What? 9. What is this? No, this is 59. What is it? 59. What is this? Chickens. What is this? Chickens. Tata's going to do the chicken now. What is this? What is this? Mouse. Which one you want? Okay. What is this? What is this? Black car. What is this? Black car. What is it? Good girl. Today, first I got free.
Is your hair can't
Book.
keep.
Let's
Stella
read
is
book.
home from school, you guys. And I'm just chilling today. So today's vlog is all about these two. Y'all not gonna see much of me.
Inviter les Jeux d'Olympie. Tout le monde sait cela. Ils ne gagnent pas des médailles, mais des couronnes de fleurs. N'importe quoi. Allons vérifier. Magique à les bris, magique à les bras. À nous les Jeux d'Olympie. On ne s'entend pas, c'est plus dur. Nous sommes où exactement une Jeux à l'Olympie, en Grèce, au XIIIe siècle.
You guys, there goes Pizza Friday for today. Babe went and got our favorite pizza at the supermarket that we haven't gone to in a long time this week. So we still have our minis and one of our favorite pizza. Pizza Friday. No, I'm not crying over you.
Crying love. You're crying because you're in love.
No,
No?
no,
Why
not
you,
at all.
why you crying?
Because I'm sick.
You're crying because you're sick. You're sick in love.
No, I'm not sick in love either.
That's why. What are you? Sick in what?
In myself.
Sick in yourself? You're yourself in love?
Yes, you love with me,
Wow.
always.
Really? You love yourself? That's why you love yourself?
Why not? That's the first person you have to ever love.
No. So what are you doing? You're touching yourself? I love myself.
Of course.
Say that.
I love you, baby.
That's what you do.
Yeah, this man is too funny. You guys hear me?
No, we can't hear you. Speak louder. No, that's copyright.
So terrible. Everybody in this house is just sick. Babe nose running, my eyes running. Tyler is getting better. Is him He let everybody sick and he's...
I wasn't bad all day. I mean, it's the evening. I think the evening make it worse.
Naturally, because of the...
Right. But I wasn't bad all day. So, Before Tyler also was the first one to catch it.
Oh yeah.
I'm the last one, so it's normal that.
Oh, yeah. Sarah is the best out of
Oh, you don't really see Sarah. Sarah, my God, she's in a phase when I come home. You need to catch her. I need to call you before I reach home. She just get excited when I come home. It's the best feeling. I will
catch it for you guys Monday.
Oh.
Every evening.
When I'm at work and I just come in when she hear the thing, she run to me, Papa!
The minute she hear the key, she gone. But she just got jump. Papa! No matter how sad she is or wherever she is when she hear that key, she gets excited. Papa! And she does the same thing in the mornings when she wake up and she see you. It just warms your heart.
Oh, yes, it does.
Don't you? Yeah? Make you want to cry. It's too funny.
Makes me not to cry. I mean, not to cry. Makes me happy. Who cry when he's happy? No, nobody.
You need a haircut.
Yeah, I know.
You and your son need a haircut this weekend.
My hair, how you say, my hair cutter? My barber is sick, so that's why I didn't get no haircut. She's sick. She's in sick
so
days.
Go hire a new barber.
Ah, that's a good idea. Young, fresh one.
Say no, go on. Go hire a new barber.
Yeah, my barber is sick. You jealous?
No, not at all.
You look jealous.
Oh,
you look like... Try. I'm watching you. That's how you look. I'm watching you try. Dear try.
I'm giving you the permission.
Oh, you don't give me. You're giving me the permission with that look.
With one eye open and one eye closed, like I dare you.
Like when you see Tyler and you're mad at him and you say try. Dear try, I give you the permission, try. That's how you sound. Try. You don't want to try? Why don't you want to try? You're funny, that's how you look. You're not gonna trick me. You're not gonna trick me.
Anyway, you guys, you're coming at the end to this vlog. It wasn't much, but of course we're giving you guys what we have. So make sure you guys give it a thumbs up, comment down below, subscribe if you're new. And of course, even though we're not doing well, we still gotta do around here. Love you guys, catch up and keep up, and we'll see you guys
tomorrow.